Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Rishib. Dear student, look. Today our topic is 7.4 exercise. 7.4 exercise. Lesson number 23, example number 15. Example number 15. Okay, student, at first I will solve question number 1, then question number 3, and then question number 5. Look, list 3 multiples of 1 number 4 and 7. 3 multiples. Right. 3 multiples. Three multiples of 4. 3 multiples of 4 are what? 4, 8, then 12. Okay, student? These are the 3 multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12. Then, question number 2. 3 multiples of 7, right? 3 multiples of 7. What? 7, 14, 21. How can you, student? Look, at first you have to multiply 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, like this way. So when I have multiplied 4 by 1, then you get 4, then 4 by 2, then you get 8, then 4 by 3, then you get 12. Similarly, 3 multiples of 7, at first we have to multiply 1, then 7 ones are 7, then 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. This is the multiples. Now question number 3, list all the factors of 9 and 24. At first I will solve 1, 9. At first break 9, 3 3s are 9. Okay, student? Therefore, or you can break another way. 1 into 9 equal to what? 9. Then 3 into 3 equal to what? 9. Okay, this way or this way. Therefore, we write the factors of of 9. Okay, factors of 9. 1. Factors of 9 is 1. Then what? 3. Then 9. Okay. The factors of 9 are what? 1, 3 and 9. You student remember factors of 9. How can you determine these are the factors of 9? Suppose 4 is not the factor of 9, because if you divide 9 by 4, then you get what? 4 2s are 8 and 1. 1 is the remainder. So 9 is not divisible by 4. As a result, we say 4 is not the, as a result, 4 is not the factor of 9. Okay, student? Now, see question number 2, 3, 24. 24. Okay, similarly, you can break like this way. 24, 1 into 24 equal to what? 24. Then 2 into 12 equal to 24. Then 3 into 8, 3 8s are 24. Then 4, 6 are 24. Okay, student? 24 into 1, 24. 12 into 2, 24. 3 into 8, 24. 4 into 6, 24. Or another way, you can also divide like this way. As you wish. 2, then 12, then 6, then 3. Okay. Okay. Therefore, the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what? Then 6, then 8, then 12, then 24. Okay student, therefore the factors of 24 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 6, 8, 12, 24. This is the factors of 24. Okay student, I hope you understood. Now I will discuss with you question number 5. Find LCM and HCF of 8, 12, 24. 8, 12 and 24. Student, this is very important. I have told you this is very important. Okay? And today I will teach such type of LCM and HCF so that you can solve in upper class. Okay? Student, now I will solve the LCM and HCF is division method or short method, and this is very important for your upper class. Okay student, so I have solved like this way. Okay student, at first I will solve, then I will describe again. At first you have to know what do you mean by least LCM. LCM means what? Least common multiple. And HCF means what? Highest common factor. Highest common factor. Okay, LCM means what? Least common multiple, and HCF means what? Highest common factor. Highest common factor. Okay student, look, at first you write determination of LCM right here. Determination of LCM. Okay, right, multiples of multiples of 8. What are the multiples of 8? 8, 16, 24, 32, and this is going on. That means you have to multiply at first 1, then you get 8, then 2, then you get 16, then if you multiply 3, then you get 24, if you multiply 4, then you get 32, and this is going on. Now the multiples of 12, multiples of 12, 12, 24, then 36, and this is going on. Okay student, this means this is going on. That means this is not finished. 12, 24, then 36. Then multiples of 24, 24, then 48, then 72, like this way. That means at first we have to multiply 1, then 2, then 3. That means, okay, this is 72. Like this way you have to multiply 1, then 2, then 3, like this way. Therefore the LCM, therefore LCM of 8, 12 and 24. You got what? LCM of 8, 12 and 24. I told you what is meant by LCM. LCM means least common multiple or lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. Student, see here which one is the lowest. You see here 24 is the common. Here is also 24 and here is also 24. Okay. This is called least common multiple or lowest common multiple. Okay, you see between among 8, 12 and 24, 24 is the lowest common. Okay, so 24 is the LCM, right? 24. Okay student, now determination of HCF, right? Determination of HCF. Look, right, factor of 8. What are the factor of 8? Student, you have to determine like this way. That means 8. 1 into 8 equal to what? 8. then 2 into 4 equal to 8. Okay, like this way. Therefore the factor of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8. These are the factor of 8. Look, 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now factor of 12, right? Factor of 12. What are the factor of 12? Look, 1 into 12 equal to what? 12. Then 2 into 6 equal to what? 12. Then 3 into 4 equal to what? 12. Then, okay, look. 1 into 12 equal to 12. 2 into 6 equal to 12. 3 into 4 equal to 12. Therefore, the factor of 12 are what? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, then 4, 6, 12. Okay, student? I hope you understood. Now, the factor of 24, right? Factor of 24. What are the factor of 24? Look, 1 into 24 equal to 24, then 2 into 12 equal to 24, 3 into 8 are 24, 4 into 6 equal to 24. Look, 1 into 24 equal to 24, 2 into 12 equal to 24, 3 8s are 24, 4 6 are 24. Therefore, the factor of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6, 8, 6, 8, 12, 24. 6, 8, 12, 24. 6, 8, 12, 24, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, write HCF of 8, 12 and HCF of 8, 12 and 24 equal to what? I told you HCF means what? Highest common factor. Highest common factor. You see which one is the highest common factor? Highest. Look, see here. Here is 4 and here is also 4 and here is also 4. Okay, student? Here is also 4, here is also 4 and here is also 4. So this is the highest common factor. Therefore, the HCF of 8, 12 and 24 is only 4. Okay, student, write the answer. Answer LCM is 24, HCF equal to 4. Okay, student, I hope you understood. I hope you understood today's topic. Now I will talk with you about HW. Look, HW nong 15. Question nong 5. Question nong 5. Find the LCM of HCF. Find LCM and HCF of 9, 12 and 18. Okay, dear student, no more today. Dear student, you submit all of your HW copy on every Saturday within 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and you back this HW copy on next Saturday. Dear student, no more today. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.